Alright, this is going to be a real short repair video. We're going to do a bunch on this lawnmower eventually. For now, we're going to start with the thing that's irritating the soul out of me. That. Yeah, that doesn't look quite right. So, new bolt. I'm going to take this, clean this up, weld this bad boy, and then we'll get it put back on the mower. And hopefully not lose belts anymore. Alright, let's go ahead and get this set back on the deck now. See, I got it welded up. I could have welded a little bit more on the two edges, make it a little bit more round, but that bolt fits friggin' tight in there now compared to the wobble that was before. Alright, and there she is back together. You gotta take my word for it on how bad this was. This whole thing was tilted over and this belt was like riding right up on the edge of it, and every time you hit a bump real hard it would flop off. So I am beyond stoked about this. Hopefully this holds up real well.